how to create new Gmail account in mobile. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some steps we can follow up if we want to create up a new Gmail account. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. Open up the Gmail app for that. And once we open it up, we can look out for our profile picture icon in the top right. And once we tap on it, we can look out for the option called add another account. And once we tap on add another account, we can select an option of Google or anything else and go ahead and follow up the process. So you may need to verify first of all yourself, go ahead and do so, and then we can start the process of creating a new Gmail account. So tap on create account, and once we tap on it, we can select up for personal use or for work or business and tap on continue. After that, we need to enter up our first name. So go ahead and enter up your first name here and tap on next. Once it is done, you can select up your birth year, what year you were born, and your month and your day, and also your gender, and tap on next. After that is done, you can select up an email address. You can select one provided, or you can create your own as well and tap on next. And all we gotta do is create up a new strong password. So go ahead and enter up a new strong password, and once it is done, you can just go over and tap on next. And all we gotta do is confirm it up. You can add a phone number for security or skip, and you can read and accept the privacy terms, and once completed, the new Gmail account will be added to your mobile device, allowing you to use Gmail, YouTube, and then other Google services. But usually this is how we do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.